See? Alright. Welcome back. This time, I brought a lot of big knives lately, but this time we're doing some smaller stuff. Two knives, as I said, that, as a cool little coincidence, have something to do with birds in their name. One is the company, the Condor Terrasaur poly sheath, 1095 steel, leather lanyard I put in. Another, well, poly sheath and handle actually. Scandi grind, of course. And the other one being the cold steel Finhawk in its German stainless steel cryo-quedged rubber handle actually, which is very comfortable. Poly sheath, Scandi. And this time, both of them have a modified spine. Actually, I should have mentioned that. And first is going to be actually some chopping with them. Just had. And you're wondering, how are you going to chop with that? I'll show you. That's where this lanyard comes in. That lanyard does excellent for that. You basically get more leverage, and you don't have to worry about the knife flying out of your hand. Shoot, I thought I had another piece. I thought I had another piece of that wood. I guess not. Oh well, let's just do this part. It's about the same as the one I chopped with the Terrasaur. They're actually pretty good at chopping for their size, with the lanyard that is. Alright. Okay, I got some pieces here I can baton. This is a bigger, thicker piece. I'm going to go out with the Terrasaur. It's got a full tank, so I would trust this a little more. I'm going to be tending that fire a bit, because what's bushcraft without a fire? Didn't realize I knocked that in. Definitely not a problem. Alright, this is a little... That's way too thin, actually. We're gonna do this here. There's a piece hanging off. Let's get that out of the way. So the Finhawk is definitely not a bad batoner. Neither of these are for the size, but if I had to pick which one I'd rather baton with, it'd be the Terrasaur, because I can see that this is full tang. See that coming out the back there? That's the tang. Right next up, of course, what every bushcraft knife needs to be good for. Nice. Every bushcraft knife needs to be a good fire maker. And we're going to bring back a little something special. Oh yeah. That's fat wood. Just one or two of those. Yeah, I don't want to wait for that to burn out. next up is the Fin Hawk. The Fin Hawk should be a little... I haven't used this one to make a fire in a while, but I remember this was a really good fire maker when I used it as my main one. For a time, this was my main bushcraft knife. As you can see, that's Scandi grind. Fitting that a bird could make feathers. After all, since they're bird names, what's a bird without its feathers? Nice. These blades are awesome fire makers. Well, after I modified the spine. The spines they came with was somewhat lackluster, unfortunately. Because they're both advertised as bushcraft knives. And a bushcraft knife, to me, needs to have a 90-degree spine. Oh, here we go. That did it. I am loving both of these knives. Prices. Now, the Terrasaur is a bang for your buck. Like, it's been compared to the Mora Garberg, and I think I don't own the Mora Garberg. I want to soon. This feels hefty though. Like, I doubt the Garberg is going to be as hefty as this, so this would be an excellent choice. This would be an excellent option for about half the price. This is 42 bucks. Garberg is 80, and the Fin Hawk is actually less than half the price of the Terrasaur. This is going to come in at around $18. So it's actually about the same price as a Mora Companion, which is one of the best bushcraft knives there is for starting bushcrafters. Actually, not just starting bushcrafters, they're for people who, really it's just for anyone who likes bushcraft, because there are people who use Moras for full-on bushcraft. Cody Lundeen wore a Mora Classic around his neck, so he still does. But honestly, handle comfort is not a big issue here. Yix! Relax. Relax, boy, there's nothing to worry about. He's barking. Handle comfort, actually might have to go to this one because it's softer. We're gonna try scraping with the spine on just normal wood. Alright, that was with the Terrasaur. We're gonna see if we can get these shavings to, scrapings to light up, not shaving, sorry. Yep, there we go. It's a fire maker. Every bushcraft knife needs to be a fire maker. Alright, next up. Same piece of wood. They actually stayed on there better. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, I love both of these knives. And honestly, if you got 60 bucks, just buy them both. Like, they're both awesome. Like, this kind of reminds me of a Bark River Gunny Scandi in terms of the looks. This one reminds me more of Ray Mears' knife, which is awesome. So, there's really no winner here. There's really no winner. A little pry. Bushcraft knife needs a good tip, of course. Needs a good strong tip. For both of these knives have just that. We've got two awesome bushcraft knives, and if you have 60 bucks, buy them both. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.